It was billed as one of the most revolutionary chapters of the new constitution, one that would finally bring decency to the country's politics. But now Chapter 6 is the subject of a dispute that will have to be resolved by the court. And it is all about a law passed by Parliament to give effect to that chapter. The Constitution Implementation Commission wants the courts to nullify the Leadership and Integrity Act of 2012, recently passed by Parliament. CIC says the version signed by the president was so watered down that it will defeat the purpose of having a leadership and integrity law.
If you compare the original bill that was looked at, scrutinized by a whole lot of stakeholders, a number of recommendations made, you find that there is a sharp difference between that bill and what was eventually enacted. A number of teeth, if you like, were extracted from the bill, and the act therefore is not as potent as it should be.
The CIC wants Parliament compelled to pass another piece of legislation to bring to effect Chapter 6 of the Constitution. The CIC says the new law must make provisions to allow for vetting of leaders and persons aspiring to be leaders. It must also ensure that the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission is the primary entity for ensuring compliance with and enforcement of Chapter 6, as well as giving the Commission prosecutorial powers to deal with genuine cases of breach of Chapter 6. The new law must also allow for public declaration of wealth by leaders and aspiring leaders.
We want a direction to Parliament to actually enact a law that meets the threshold, the minimum threshold that is set in the Constitution.
The matter was certified as urgent, and CIC will be in court again on the 10th of this month. Should the petition be successful, then the MPs will have to go back to the drawing board to make laws that may very well lock some of them out of the 2013 race. Brenda Wanga, NTV.